criticize and say they don't like words that make me feel like I'm no worth it.
Hi guys, and welcome. This is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum, and welcome this week. How are you all doing? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll know every time when I put up a post. However, I put a post up every Sunday, so you'll always know when I'm up. Now, if this is the first time you've come to my channel and you've never seen me before, my name is JB Rose. I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, and I'm a mum, and I like to cook and bring music to you and bring it all together. So guys, subscribe because I've got some great gems for you here on this channel. Good food, healthy tips, great music, interviews. It's all happening here on this channel. So subscribe guys, and let's just feel good with the food and the music. Whoa. Anyway, what did I make today? Well, today I thought I would go into the nut milk world and make you an almond milk, but an almond milk with a difference. Yes, an almond milk with a difference. What did I say? An almond milk with a difference. I feel like I'm in church. An almond milk with a difference. Yes, I'm using Goji Berries. Yeah, Goji Berries is really good for you. So now the health benefits of Goji Berries: it protects the eyes, it provides immune system support, promotes healthy skin, and stabilizes the blood sugar, and so much more. As you can see, I'm listing all the health benefits of Goji Berries. Now for our almond milk, I'm changing it up. I'm making it a little bit different. I always like to. So in my almond milk there is definitely going to be the Seamoss, because it's got all those minerals, the Goji Berries which we just spoke about, and then the almonds themselves. Now it's really good to soak the almonds overnight or for as long as you can, because it softens it and it's really good for digestion. And also, if you like to peel the skin off the almonds, then if you soak it, then it's easy for it to come off. And finally, always add a little bit of salt to your almond milk, and that extends the shelf life, because homemade almond milk lasts for about 2 days, maybe you're lucky for 3 days. It doesn't hang around, which is great. I make my milk whenever I actually need it. So guys, enough of all this talk. Let's get into it guys. Let's get into the almond milk. So here are my almonds soaked. As you can see, some of them are really starting to split because I soaked them overnight. And simply guys, everything is going to go into my food mixer. So there goes the almonds, and then the soaked goji berries, there it is, and then just that little handful of dates. What you're looking at is my frozen Seamoss. Seamoss is absolutely brilliant. I'm going to show you all the good reasons why you should use Seamoss in all your cooking, smoothie making. I usually freeze them and then I add them to my smoothies, my sauces, my cooking. So we're going to add that too. This milk is bursting with goodness. Finally, vitamin D. My beautiful milk. Some people strain it, but this is a really good food mixer. So, woo! There is my beautiful almond milk.
Thank you for last season. Obviously, my first year of doing this.
So guys, busy JB Rose singing vegan mum, but we always have to remember that there's housework to do. So I just want to show you that my life is not always as glamorous as it looks. There are always things to do. There's always this kind of stuff to do. Sort out the kids' clothes. It is a lovely summer's day. Lovely summer's day. Enjoy the sun, guys. Enjoy it.
And it's the summer. It's summer, and it's what is it again?
It's a summer. It's a Saturday.
And we've got 7 weeks off. Yeah.
Oh, my little one. Mind your fingers in the way. My little one, Anayo, is just saying that he's got 7 weeks holiday. Oops. So Anayo, are you going to wear the Roblox t-shirt today? Yeah? Okay, you can speak. You have to do that. So I'm sorting out the washing, putting it out, and my lovely boy Anayo, oh sorry, he's taking his t-shirt.
It's still not dry.
Still not dry. I'm going to dry it though. I'm going to leave it out a bit more longer. My lovely son and Niall is holding the camera for me. That's why he's shaking it. I just want to say have a lovely, lovely summer's day. Enjoy the sun. Just getting that vitamin D. And even when you're doing the housework, just enjoy the vitamin D. That was a really simple way of making almond milk. But of course, I added goji berry. Often when you see almond milk in the shop, they sweeten it with apple juice, dates, maple syrup. All these things are really, really cool to use, but today I did goji berries. Don't forget to check out my new single, The Remix Gold is out right now. It's doing fantastic stuff. It's beautiful for the summer. It's available on all your usual download and streaming sites. Like and subscribe for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. I'm your girl.
Criticize and say they don't like words that make me feel like I'm not worth it. I ain't turning